In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Google Docs on your desktop. Whether you're new to Google Docs or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through the process with ease. So let's dive right into it. First, you need to open the Google Doc you wish to save. If you're looking to save something important for offline use or perhaps share it in a different format, this is where we start. Make sure your document is ready and you've made all the desired edits before proceeding, as this process will save the current version of your file. Next, direct your attention to the top left corner of your document window. Here, you'll find the File menu. Go ahead and click on it. The File menu is your gateway to all kinds of actions you can perform with your document, from printing to downloading, which is what we're focusing on today. Once you've clicked on the File menu, you'll see a drop-down list. Now hover your cursor over the Download option. You don't need to click just yet. Merely hovering over it will reveal more possibilities. This brings us to the next step. A sub-menu will appear, showing various file formats available for download. Google Docs offers multiple options, so you can select the one that best suits your needs. Popular choices include Microsoft Word with the file extension .docx or PDF, which is .pdf. Consider what you need the document for. PDFs are great for preserving the document layout if you're sharing it, while .docx is handy for further editing in Word. After deciding on a format, click on your chosen option. This action will trigger your file to download to your computer. Typically, the file will be saved to your computer's default download location, which for many is the Downloads folder. If you're unsure where that is, you can usually find it as a quick access option in your File Explorer or Finder. Finally, once the download is complete, you can navigate to that file's location. If you'd prefer to have that file on your desktop for quick access, you can drag it from your Downloads folder onto your desktop or copy and paste it there. Just like that, you now have the Google Doc saved on your desktop, ready to be used whenever you need it. I hope this guide made the process clear and simple for you. Remember, saving your Google Docs locally can provide a handy backup or give you more flexibility in how you use your documents. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides like this one.